So let's open up a box and see what's inside. So the first thing you'll see is some accessories that are pretty important for the installation. Some steam hose, the drain line, some fill tubing, and a bag of parts which has some additional items. We include with every humidifier a relative humidity sensor, steam distributor, and some other clamps and hardware that'll help with the installation. Last thing I want to point out are the manuals and documentation. Homeowner's manual, quick start guide for the installation, and a template which will come in handy when you're mounting the humidifier.